Hello dear students, you are welcome to my channel. Let's see articles in English grammar. What are articles? Yes, you have been studying about articles in previous classes. Let's see more about it. Articles are words which we use before noun and modifies noun. For example, a temple, a book, a chair, an apple, an onion, an egg, the sun, the earth. Here, somewhere a is used, somewhere an is used, and somewhere the is used. Why this is? Let's see more about it. Articles are classified as definite article and indefinite article. Definite article the. When we talk about special person or thing, we use definite article. For example, the man was eating a lot of mango. Here, I am talking about the particular man who was eating lot of mangoes. So, the is used before man. In the second example, I like the dress which you wore in the party. Here I am talking about the particular dress. So, the is used before the noun dress. Second type, indefinite articles. A, an. There are two articles a and an which are used before countable singular noun. For example, I saw a man who was selling mangoes. Here, man is countable singular noun, so a article is used. Let's see the uses of all the articles. First, use of article a. First use article a before singular countable noun. Let's see the examples. A boy, a chair, a table. All these nouns are singular and countable. We can count those nouns as 1, 2, 3, 4. So, a vowel a article is used before the noun. Second use, if the countable singular noun begins with consonantal sound, use article a before it. For example, a uniform, a union, a unique, and 1 rupee note. Here, what are consonantal sound? Let's see. In the word uniform, U is vowel but pronounced as consonant. Y, uniform, Y. Y is consonant, so A article is used before uniform. In the same way, union, unique. In the last example, 1 rupee note, ONE1. O is vowel but pronounced as V, consonant. So, A article is used. Let's see the uses of article an. First use, if the singular common noun begins with any vowel such as A, E, I, O, U. Use article an before the noun. You know there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So, if the noun begins with vowel, use an before that noun. An apple, an orange, an elephant, an ice cream, an umbrella, an owl. In these examples, each and every noun begins with vowel. So, an is used. Second use, if the singular common noun begins with vowel sound, use article an before the noun. For example, an honest, an R. Here, honest, H is consonant but pronounced as vowel sound, so an is used. In the next example also, HOURR. H is consonant but pronounced as vowel sound, so an is used. Let's see the uses of article the. First, to show specific reference. For example, I liked the sweets which you made in Diwali. Here, I am talking about the particular sweet. I am not talking about all the sweets, but you made in Diwali, that sweets I am talking about. So, the is used before sweets. Second, with superlative forms. In the example, Manish is the cleverest boy in the class. Here, cleverest is the superlative form of the adjective. So, the is used before cleverest. The is used before superlative form of the adjective. Third, with the things which are unique in the world. For example, the earth moves around the sun. You know that earth, sun, moon. These are unique things in the universe. So the is used before those nouns. Let's see the next. With the name of rivers, seas, mountain ranges. Use the before the names of rivers, seas, mountain ranges. For example, the Ganga, the Aravalli Hills. Ganga is the name of river. So, when you use any name of the river, use the article. Next, with the name of holy books, epics, use the. For example, the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran. That means when you write the name of holy books, before that name of book, write the, use the article. Next, when one noun is used to show entire species or class, that time use the before it. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here I am talking not any other dog, but the whole species, the whole class of the dog. So the is used before the word dog. The man is mortal. Here also I am talking about the whole class of man. So the is used before the noun. Next, use the articles before the word last, first and other. When last, first, other, these words are used in the sentence, use the article before the words. For example, the first president, the other day, the last Sunday. Okay, let's see the next. Before repeated use of common noun, use the article. For example, Monica loves cow. The cow is very useful animal. Here I am talking about the particular common noun which is repeated. For example, Monica loves cow. And again I am talking about the noun cow. So the is used before cow. Next, before the names of direction, the east, the west. You know the names of directions, east, west, north, south. That time always use the before the direction. We have seen what are the uses of a and the, but when should we not use articles? That is important topic. Let's see that. Number 1, no articles are used before proper noun, material noun, abstract noun. Very important. When you say, for example, I am going to Pune. Pune is a name of Pune is a proper noun. So no need to use any article before proper noun. Second, I brought 20 kg sugar. Here also sugar is a material noun. So no need to use any article. Second, no article before the name of any language, month, day, season. For example, he is studying Sanskrit. I am learning about English. So there is no need to use any article before the language. Next example, my father will come on Friday. Here Friday, name of day. So no need to use any article. Let's see the next. No articles before name of meal and diseases. When you are talking about any meal or diseases, there no need to use any article. For example, meal means breakfast, lunch, dinner. These are meal. So no need to use any article. See the example. They are taking their lunch. Here no article is used. Next example, Mr. Rishi Kapoor was suffering from cancer. Here cancer is a name of disease. So there is no use any article. Thank you. Thank you very much.